Do you want to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone? You can block Instagram highlights with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to hide highlights on Instagram from someone. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Hiding story highlights on Instagram from someone means setting your account privacy to prevent specific individuals from viewing the story highlights you've posted on your profile. This feature allows you to control who can access and view your highlighted stories. To hide story highlights on Instagram from someone or a specific person. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen to navigate to your profile page. Once on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu options, tap on Settings to access your Instagram settings. Scroll down the settings screen until you find the Who Can See Your Contents section. Tap on Hide Story and live within the Who Can See Your Contents section. This option allows you to control who can view your story and highlights. Again, tap on Hide Story and live from. Now, you'll see a list of your friends and followers. Tap on the search box and type the name of the person from whom you want to hide the highlights. As you type, Instagram will display matching suggestions from your contacts. Select the person from the list by tapping on their name. Once you've selected the people, go back to save your changes. Let me check whether the highlights are hidden from that specified person or not. I am going to refresh that profile to confirm that they are no longer visible. Your Instagram highlights and stories will now be hidden from the specified person, and they won't be able to view them when they visit your profile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.